pay me for body, use that to mock me. Now I can told the one where I know about him. Because the mama na elderly woman, I tell the mama the truth.
What you talk so? Wait, what you talk so? So now what you tell you pay you for body? I make you tell her that thing.
I say not pay you anything. I know about him.
Wait, he say not pay you anything. I say not know anything about you.
He don't know anything about me. He go accept say know anything about me.
Okay, that is something he talk about you. So maybe you tell her what do you know about her? Which life did they talk her?
Na life video now.
Who did that? Because nobody did do, because I never hear that from me. Now lay your mouth.
I know record that.
Talk as him. Anybody judge if you are just say
I no record that.
If you are there, say if you are there, say
I don't understand. Now you carry person go juju, go and swear. Now if you want to swear juju, why you disturb me? Why you disturb me? Why you disturb me and my family? Now you carry me go juju, go swear now. Who tell you something you don't swear? I say I don't go and swear.
Mary J, I beg mute first. I wrote that as it be like this, so wait I go just tell you. You no need to send Barri J or juju paper. Just go swear your own. Say if you really
swear, I'm fire for this matter. Ask me then if I come out now and something will be said, hi, you are not supposed to talk. If I carry your mama, you should come out for your mama wrote that. You don't like him. Wow, we get your mama for TikTok. Respect yourself.
May you mute yourself. May let person talk. Mute first. Brother, go just go swear. If say if true say I tell Barri J this kind thing, make o juju peme you. If not be say, if true say I not tell Barri J and he can't lie for my head, me o juju peme. Simple. Mona rest. What is stress person for?
Marble.
Go and swear, go and make. Now you carry juju paper give person. Now you dey another. Now you dey carry me go and no J platform. Now you dey give number to people now because I know J. Now you carry no. Now you call no J say come call Joy. Make they carry me come up. Now you dey drag me. Make you go swear. If you not say no be boss, what I talk for your body now? Like go and swear now. Why you dey drag me now? You know what swear, but go and swear. You know the matter. Say no be that man get the pikin. Why you dey phone? Rest. If you know how would you rest? This matter for no cast. Come, not provoke me. If you provoke me, if I own my life for TikTok, if I bring your mama, if she come for TikTok, yeah, your mama, your mama will don't cast. Not provoke me or respect yourself. You know the year word. Road that you then listen to me and respect yourself. If I yeah your mama, that your shoes left not that for you there. You know go like am. Now small thing where I know about you now talk. So if I told him,
what did mama do?
This TikTok go shake. Just better respect. If you want go swear juju, go and swear juju.
Wait, what did mama do?
Very well. You know say I no dey fear anybody. If you want go swear juju, just go and swear juju. No dey use juju to disturb me.
Father,
I beg.
Madam, wait first.
No dey like all those constitutional wahala this one.
Madam.
I beg. I will soon come down. I don't get that time now.
I will ask you for a question. I beg. You don't talk, I talk my own.
I dey hear you.
Now, wait. Number one, which marriage you and Rhoda take go do as will be for person?
The marriage we are talking now, the man ex-wife married now talking.
My ex-wife, okay.
Now the man ex-wife, the main wife.
Wait. Who get Mommy Titi number? I want call her. I want ask her this question. If Barri J and what did they call her? Mommy Titi do as will be for a marriage.
Mama Titi no go. That woman no go. He no go talk.
Which one be she no go talk?
He no go talk. He no gree talk for me.
Let her answer by herself. Not be you go tell her say whether she go talk or not.
You go find number now. Me take call am.
I beg who get the number or who they follow her for TikTok? Even though she not climb up, make she comment yes or no. You dey get me? Okay, no get up here ask her wetin she talk. When you no get ask her wetin she talk, she no answer.
No, he say no fit defend Rhoda. He say no fit defend. He say Rhoda still talk the thing about am. He say Rhoda still talk say the children wey he get na for Kokobiri.
Okay, now why this woman now, the mommy titi, you see why me know dey support person? Mommy titi dey evil and heartless. Because if you are not evil or heartless, you supposed to answer this question, say yes o. Rhoda do as we Rhoda and this girl they do as we be follow me or they not do. Okay, wait o. For that as we be someone na do. Una no snap picture. There no picture evidence.
I no snap picture.
You go do as we be for person. Una no snap picture.
Wahala be all this one.
Eh?
Oga, I no snap picture. If Rhoda, if Rhoda wan come swear juju, make go swear juju. Make conscience no dey judge
Una
am.
no snap picture. Okay.
No.
That one.
Okay, Rhoda, wait. I want talk one thing. I will soup because in Nigeria call they call me and they come. You know what I'm Rhoda, as I say your question dey judge you, right?
Ogun dey kill you. Ogun dey kill you. When they say I wash my mouth.
Rhoda, as I say your question dey judge you. You no fit follow the right process. You wan call you juju dey worry me. May I on my camera. You wan call you juju dey worry me say you no wan talk.
Oh yeah, now may you let me answer the other question now. Let me answer the other question. May I ask you the other question. This one so meaning say I lie because now your camera no on. Oh, may I offer my honor again? Oh yeah, honor again.
No on my camera, no.
Okay, thank you for the cap. Meaning this one so na lie. Because I don't know why Mommy Titi not fit answer this question. Mommy Titi is supposed to get the picture. Because na marriage, you supposed to get the picture of all our Ashwebi. Because me, I'm also a married man. Who do Ashwebi follow my wife? I get their picture. I get every picture for them. No, now we shall not be. Yes, now the truth. May I tell you?
But Rhoda, wait now, Rhoda, but you come out that day for no platform. You say you don't even know me. How come you don't know me? Your mama can't go village. You soon now lie one of them. If you even swear, whether you know me or you don't know me.
Wait, I go talk that why mama take go village. Wait, I go talk that why mama take go village. Wait.
I know understand. Like yesterday, now I tell you, yesterday now almost 4 times when mama they call my family. Me I not understand. Now by first to swear juju. If
Okay,
family.
they say that 12 years ago. They say that 12 years ago. Meaning the one not get the picture. Okay, but when the mommy titi
your mama the juju they work for una body where your mama no dey repair your leg wey swell up.
Wait, I get where I want to go. Wait, get where I want to go. Oh yeah, now, for the belly aspect, you dey get me so? You dey hear me? You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
For the belly aspect, may I talk with you? I want to go list you. For the belly aspect, may I read it to you? Right? But everyone at the data, they jot her down. You said 2024, 2014. That mommy 3D call you.
No be 2015.
Which month?
Now 2014 now you get better. 2015 now they Jamie come born. Now come on go Jamie go.
Wait, 2014 I call you Abi.
2015, not 2014. 2015.
Okay, 2015. Okay.
Not 2014. Wetin me talk about am and wetin you use the man tell me for that this pikin shoe now talk about am if you see say you no like am make you no drag me again.
For that one because that one say if it be call or na somebody that one na call na say tell you abi.
Yes,
but this one na go dey easy go take
do. If you drag me again no go like wetin I go do. Make you no drag me again abeg. If you wan go swear juju go and swear juju. The person wey wan swear juju dey carry am dey tag am I wan swear juju that means you no get your conscience dey judge you no even get juju wey you dey swear if you wan even swear the juju make let person hear word.
For father, abeg I fit just madam I fit just tell I wan just talk 1 or 2 things make I come that abeg make this woman wait first. Abeg you know wetin I wan talk for this issue first and foremost person say he talk something where you tell am for example you dey go dey carry juju say make the person swear juju this kind thing to clear yourself madam you go be DNA test cause no dey tell this woman make go swear juju.
If mama yesterday dey call my family 3 times now if mama dey drag my family make go swear juju they wan go kill me for juju.
madam wait wetin dem dey pay 150,000 for juju ma. Na business they go do for there when they pay 150,000 they give juju ma when juju start to dey collect 150,000 they call they drag this woman money like say this woman dey owe person money if una make me invest for this issue I'll carry police for Abuja, I'll carry that juju man, carry his son, carry this woman, go pack all of the people for Abuja there. I'll go carry police go, I'll carry Jama, yeah, I'll carry police go Jama.
Wait, can you open your camera, sir? Can you open your camera?
They go arrest all of them. Which
sir, open your camera.
Be all those things. My brother, as this cat as they go, as this woman tell you this cat, madam, may you wait. Madam, may you wait. As this cat they go for our side, I'm 45 years old. I know those juju things. They're not the first and foremost. What is 150,000? I know my follower no reach. Which kind of nonsense be this one? Say juju. What it be juju? For what they talk for TikTok? This issue, woman are clearer for here. Not be juju. Go here, go so. Now they waka for us to have for what they talk. If you are this woman, no discuss. You know, if you carry that tip for your head, clear yourself by DNA test first. If the DNA test, if it come outside, people don't believe you. Then you now say, okay, me want swear juju. As I don't swear, so madam, come my swear. You go and swear first because you go there first. Man, I pressure this woman. Yesterday, no, they say pay the money. Now give her 150,000. Oh, if they work, that woman not see they talk other things about people who don't carry juju talk say call juju call. So you just use juju. Why you juju cover everything? Your husband, your man, no they drag you. Say anybody know they drag you. You go rest for the issue. Man, na rest if now. So which one be juju? Must the juju come for the thing? This woman say no one swear juju. Okay, fine. Do DNA test. You no agree do. You do your DNA test. Make this woman go swear juju there. May we put her at that. May you go do DNA test call there. May this woman go swear juju. You know what do DNA test? Now the same man go pay 150,000. If the woman pay 150,000,
if mommy did DNA test, you swear.
Answer yes.
May I go do DNA test? Nobody should force me to swear. If I want swear, it go come from my mind. May I go do DNA test?
Wait. If you do DNA test, you go swear yes or no?
If you do DNA test, may I go. What are they talking? If you do DNA test, may I go sue me. I know they swear. May I go sue me to court. We live in Europe, not in Nigeria. Now three times. Now your mama called my family yesterday night. He said, "May I go swear to you? May I go not chatting with you?"
This juju of a guy they be.
It's something happened to me and my family. The best is something happened to me and my family. Run down the family will die and not accidents.
Madam, wait first. You see this juju of a godfather? It's very dangerous. You know me say person do something or person no do something. Now those stay they work. Sometimes juju something is something that they can manipulate it. You they get so? It's not something that is 100% like this thing it must go this way in the right way. Now lie. First and foremost, for that matter, they drag 150,000 naira. Herod already fed there first. They say now they declare this one. All those things, juju know they before they use another math, they swear juju. I don't know whether for use million, they check. They not pay 1 naira put. Oh, that one and one. Then secondly, this issue, now issue of say this mommy 3D, whether or not they call, I don't know the woman, I don't know what they talk, but I just pass this matter 2 times so for TikTok. Madam, go and do DNA test. If your DNA test click, take police. Now, yeah, you know they pay for police to go arrest person. Take police or lawyer. Tell your lawyer to write this woman. You go get a name and everything. Send her. Carry and go court. May can't defend himself for court. If he not fit, he go prison. Now, so if this woman commit the crime, say he lie against you, he not fit, he go prison. Then you dey European, they carry juju. Your mama they waka una they what it brought those kind of nonsense yet what we Nigeria they do for this Europe. So, what una they waka for area for? Any small thing juju that they waka they drink beer, they follow everywhere. Juju they drink beer, they smoke it go for the juju area. They say call me, did this one. They find money 150,000 what they drink like that. Take smoke it, go carry a shower. They say you go juju, go punish the juju one that they talk everywhere. Mona go carry police for here. Mona take do the thing. Mona do DNA test call. You go post her for online. They will carry this woman go court. Fine, everybody you arrest. If this woman not go court, but he go arrest this woman.
My father agree to.
Agree to.
My father, I beg you feel rest for this issue. As far as this issue don't enter juju hand, you don't leave them make them solve am by themselves. Even though we talk not to Jerusalem, still or still. Mo una no Congo the waste una salava. make the juju go outside, make they go swear by themselves. No need to talk about the matter again. Finish.
Go swear.
Una talk nothing tomorrow, still or still.
See me see wahala.
You understand? Just forget about the issue. The girl say me go swear, finish.
Go and swear. Why you forcing me to go and swear?
Not be say DNA or no DNA. May they not bring anything. May go swear. 100 years is not forever. We know say juju not the cool.
May go swear.
Just for una talk.
No, if I leave and if I not come out, I want to remove him. They talk you own. May go swear. If you want to go and swear, me no they go. I don't understand. Me no they go. I don't understand. If you want to go swear, you should go and swear. What it concern me for inside? May go swear. I don't tell say me no swear. I deny what I talk. I talk. I deny that. Now what I know about can I talk? So what you use the mouth tell me for the baby issue now talk. I'm not the fear person.
Mama, the way make she tell you say I dey friend these two people. I no know get am on. I be waiting she talk or she all dey 100% say not be yours ma oh.
Now what you use the man tell me say the person will get the pikin no get collect and that but reject the pikin for his belly. Now can I go give this old man who already married? Say married man. I beg. How many times I want to talk this matter? Be small pikin. If you say may go sweat now, may go sweat. You want you sweat the juice they come out for TikTok they talk am. Now the first person they want go put for TikTok may go talk say I beg man forgive me or wetin I talk before. Now just say because I dey quarrel and I make me talk am. It dey crazy what they follow they do that one for TikTok. And the almost small pikin 30-something years old woman where I get pikin from almost 11 years. I'm not going to fool myself. Now what you use the matter now talk so? Make it go swear if you want to go and swear. I hope person will may not swear, but may not use juju take threaten. Make body not force me say I should go and swear juju. They get what they put for there. I don't understand. I dey fear person. When I come and talk the thing, I come out for camera like this talk. I not be say I not hide for fake account, use another account. Now my account be this one. Maybe he know. He know me very well. Make he carry me go anywhere where he want carry me go. But me not the swear juju. Now go the first me say must swear juju. If I dey plan it, but it's something happen to me about this juju, wait till they threat it so. Rather, they tell you like something happened to me and my family. Your generation, your family, it go perish. Your family go perish. Now me tell you today. Something happened to me and my family. Your mama, when you leg swell or so, that leg go burst, I go suffer to die.
So, mommy, tell me mama left swell up.
No, let me go. They talk something where I'm now. When we say I keep where I don't want to talk, not provoke me. If you provoke me, it will go shake. Just respect yourself.
Wait, listen to me. Listen to me. Mommy, tell the leg, mommy, tell the mama leg swell up.
If mama leg swell up. You swell up, not be the leg, the useless leg where they swell up. Now they run up at that for my family house. What did they find there? Now you 3 times. Now you still call my family yesterday. They tell us say, why me don't want go outside juju for Bini? 3 times for midnight. What happen? What did they use me to do for the juju? I don't understand. If your mama wants to go for the juju, when I go for the juju for my back now, what you call concern me for inside? If mama leg is swell up, which?
You sure?
If mama leg swell up, if the way mama they do, they go.
Okay, now mommy 3D. Now it's easy for we to know the truth. Either you post DNA or you post to my mama look whether your mama leg swell up.
Now be say no go even post now. So maybe people will be say you don't offend. Now you go come snap her because I don't want even they go they snap in mama picture, go they carry they put for social media because all those social.
I know that now. Now go to know they give mommy 3D. Either you post my mama look at them mama leg swell up.
Your juice, my brother, your juice. Wait. First they come, no, they come here. No, come on, while I get
No pick, end down.
Not too much.
I don't understand, sir. Your brother, your useless mama. Brother, may I tell you for this live video? So, man, what record may go, maybe they see I'm to fit account.
Block the person, be not fit wait. Block her. Block her.
Brother, your useless mama. You don't even think about your mama. The native doctor waited the buga up and down. The devil when you put my the something when you put my the something they help you. Why your mama legs swell up? What if your papa?
Block the person, block her.
You go come out for so you go come out for TikTok come tell people say wetin kill your mama, wetin kill your papa. You go come out wetin kill your papa. You go tell TikTok oh.
That person don't let you block. Listen to me. When I share this video, give Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D now without giving
Come
you also.
out, no let video. Come out, confess me. Wetin kill your papa? Come tell the whole world wetin kill your papa.
Don't pick the call. They want to distract you.
Come out, go to wetin kill your papa. Useless people. You and your mama you not even think about his health. He don't already die. That one wey no dey feel when you let swell up. You see the
wetin kill papa? Wetin kill papa? Wetin kill papa?
Different native doctor for you. They say if poor people they don't even dey pity for their life. That is useless woman.
Okay, now wetin kill papa? Wetin kill papa?
I know the talker. If no come and tell us say come out make us talk wetin kill papa. He get where go reach, I go expose am.
You don already expose why you say mama let swell up.
If I discover you for this TikTok, your head go correct. As you know my entire soul. If you want to swear juju, go and swear juju. Nothing concern me, but me no dey go.
When I said Mommy 3D,
your mama cannot force me to go and swear juju.
Mommy 3D, Mommy 3D, you made this thing easy for us. Either you post to my mom, look at that man like swell up, or you post your DNA. If you don't go post anyone,
I don't let this matter rest. If they drag me, most of secrets go they come out for this TikTok.
No, like I say,
rest. I dey talk and I dey open my face. Now be this one. Not say road die. I could do road die. I said no one let me rest. I go discover you for this TikTok. Now you are not the family.
You post mama,
You now me from Uro. You the crazy.
Mama like really swell up. Meaning this girl they talk through because Mommy 3D say you don't know this girl. Say they don't know each other.
First of all, go clear your mama. Your mama you do wait there. Your mama leg. Go clear her now before you talk to me.
Wait, if mama get duty for leg.
Maybe you pick the call. Maybe it's important.
You know the important, not pick. Listen to me.
Now my friends they call me.
Wait, if mama leg really swell up, he gets off for leg.
Because yesterday, if mama leg swell up. Now the mama leg swell up.
He gets
mama leg swell up. As I say no one respect himself, I go the disgrace and here. You know if you know say na yourself the disgrace, so that foolish woman shower. You come swear processes where you dey with this idiot man wey you put for bottle whether you never fuck another man. You come out that papa trees where they smell. That man get bad body odor. Very stingy woman be. Because I quiet they look you. Me as I go you for this talk. If I enter like because of you, and then since what I go put it up, I never enter like if I enter like because of you, I go.
Papa and a bad person, you would have the craze.
I will finish you.
Listen to me. Now you dey hear me?
I dey hear you, they talk, I dey hear you.
If Mommy 3D come post my mama leg not swell up, meaning everything they talk about in her life.
You know get mama will go even post self. Maybe na old picture will go post. Didn't you post maybe na old picture will get before mama like swell up.
No, you must post new picture.
Make you post am, I go fit post him mama. What you want? We go gree post him mama. Maybe you want celebrate him mama, maybe you want celebrate his birthday or whatever. I go post him mama. Now tell us say go post him mama. If mama na me talk, mama like swell up. You not swell up before evil woman. The mama na woman wey no even wear, useless woman wey no even wear. He say use the leg they waka for different people. They go evil people. So when they waka they go they work for now. Why in my life not better? Your brother wey they see for Uromi for there. Maybe I go even post your brother picture wey take see for the take coffin for Uromi for vigilante. I go post that for my TikTok account now. Respect yourself.
So I'm telling the brother not thief.
He brother not thief. He brother not thief. I say no one respect himself. He brother not thief.
How many brother I get?
I don't know. I don't want no brother where he get all those witch family. I don't want no. What it concern me whether I get 20 brother or not? You don't even know say they bring himself out. You don't even know say because you know say if at moment they continue if one go so you go see more they continue they drag me down all those useless baby father where they follow you so. If na they continue they push you say go and drag and you know I go they expose you more. They don't even know you now social media they for know you but me know you rich house. They don't know you. They know you for social media. They know you for TikTok. But they don't know you reach house. Even though they speak the same language, you may know you reach house. I know your mama. They follow your mama buy food where they house.
Wait, oh yeah, now we want to confirm something. Mommy 3D, your mama dey sell food, yes or no?
If mama dey sell food now, we don't know your mama. For agonite injection for Oromi. Agonite injection before if don't pass injection go front. My mama dey sell rice now.
Wait. Tina, you see the sell food Tina, Abi before.
I don't know, but I'm not sure say Tina see they sell food. I'm not sure. But I'm not saying they sell food. That's why they are. They sell food.
Okay.
Tina, I don't know that one. Tina, no ask. Not even bother to ask that one. That one not concern me.
We should be godfather stop abeg. Not be investigation, they investigate. See, all this thing she dey talk so. Your mama 3D if you prove one wrong now. Like if you post the mama now, your mama leg not swell up. We not call they believe this girl again. We call they like 70% will go to mommy 3D. Able to
You say wait, now not the other time. Okay, you talk say you don't know me for no J platform. Say you never see me now. Once you don't see me, I call your mama now. You don't turn her to your mama. I to say your mama now.
he tell me that one I ask her. Say you don't know this guy, how come now cut know your man cut know your address. He said na person. You dey hear me?
You dey tell me now. You dey talk for no J. Oh, I beg. That's the talk.
You no fit block am. You no fit block the person. Which one be pick your call? Me not pick that call. If you come pick call, who wan go dey gist us? Na what for now? If you come pick call, who wan go dey If you pick,
I beg.
block the person, block her. Block her. Block the person. Block her. They disturb you. You got person why you don't have to know the rest, not you.
Hello.
Not block her. Block the person. No, too much. I tell you block the person, you don't want to block her. When I mean they say me pick up, I want to go the gist us now. Now few questions now. I will ask Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D, either you post DNA, no see you the talk, see me or the enjoy, no not sabi the enjoy this saga. I did explain. If na cocoa, if na popcorn or anything, you dey carry the chop, you go dey enter your body, you dey lis ten to a feel like cinema. With your the comment section that they say Godfather, you not good, Godfather, you not good. I not take good. I dey bring cinema to reality for una. Una dey say Godfather not good. I not take good. Let her gist us.
No, since the girl don dey say no go swear, make Mommy 3D you go swear.
Make Mommy 3D go swear, yeah.
Because the more the time they go, the more this month go finish just now. So make sure you swear, say okay, everything when if na truth this guy accuse am for. Say I talk am, I tell am for phone, say maybe I no know get the pikin or all those kind of something. May he swear. If he can record and can show us, say he swear because he not really tell this girl. But now let that one me see. Since this girl already dey 100% say I no go do again.
I tell you say better person before. Wait, the Barri J, don't come back. Barri J, are you done? Barri J, don't finish. Wait, the Barri J.
Hello, Godfather. Good morning.
I greet you.
Good afternoon. I greet you. What's up now?
I do.
Though, see, we don't be friends for a very long time for TikTok. You understand me?
Yeah.
So they always they watch you. Wetin I see for this matter be say you for not allow this girl they insult mama what they call her say that woman
No, no,
her mom.
she insult her. No,
No,
yeah.
her mom. No, for her to they say the woman leg they pain her mama. You for not everybody get mother. You understand? You for let her say okay, face the person where face you, remove person mama for inside this matter. Do you understand? Because you now you will not be happy. Say maybe you and somebody get issue, somebody come they like throw mask, go they give your innocent mother way no one, no two. You understand me? Not allow that kind of talk for your platform. You understand me? So that kind of thing, if you just they talk about mama, tell her say anything you know about the woman, you can say it, but anything about mother, just remove them. Do you understand me? So make so that may you not come there somehow for the matter. You can talk about the woman.
I beg, no verse. I won't come down. I won't tell you say I won't come down. Beg. This matter, anywhere we road that won't go, may not they tell now, make it go. I beg, bros. You understand? Anywhere we road that won't go, anywhere we
Hello, Godfather. Good afternoon.
If you like, we may go easy.
Thank
If
you.
like, make go
For
I don't
another
care.
platform,
Please.
this Barri J say na 2014. Na Mommy Titi do marriage. And Mommy Titi say na 2030. I mean, if you hear me ask, can me clarify that part?
I don't want to talk anything again, though. If you want clarify, I'm gonna go clarify for the video where I tell you one. Wait,
Let me ask this woman. No answer me.
you understand? More than they ask me all those kind of questions. Now my I go talk for inside. If rather want breed juju, if you want breed juju, if you want swear juju, you should go. Man, person should go and swear juju. May not disturb me for TikTok. Why you disturbing me? I resemble person with the fear person.
Mama, we know the quarrel. You say na 2014. Now na go do Ashobi.
No. If you want, go check the video. You see, go check the video.
But now what you talk? Now they tell you now. What you talk?
Forget that. Now, not they ask another person. No answer. Go and check the video. What? You hear me? You don't tell the talk. Go and check the video. What I talk? May you play. Not they ask me again. Not be small pikin. I know the person will be say talk something finish. You can't change man.
Yes, Mommy Titi say na 2013. They do marry. You say 2014.
That will not be your business. I don't already talk with you. I want to finish. Go and play the you see. Don't call the first word. Call the say they ask me. You senior me. You not look my face.
Barri J.
I don't want to talk about this matter. Anything we want that want to tell us say they go do. I mean, they make matter for TikTok. You not get what you want to do. You not get what you want to do. Now matter they make. I beg you. Who want to do something they talk and rubbish. I beg bros later times, eh?
Oh yeah, thank you. This their matter so and I win me, I don't
No one concern us for inside, but at least last make peace. They make everybody from answer their papa do. Because now say you call single mother, you not connect. How can they bring a mama matter for inside? That way say why you causing mama. Now we not good to cause person mama, but fine. But this guy they complain say mama say they call your family they disturb man. So now out of that anger, now what they bring God. You understand? So you should not really go swear. May you tell mama say mommy, may you go.
If na phone the ring, they disturb for life. Which kind of phone are they use?
So may you go swear and in mama oh na two different things. Now this girl say they talk. So this girl say she
Mommy 3D mama. Mommy 3D she not see insult her mama. She not insult her mama. For she to even go carry odudu paper come, she better go court. Now wait till she talk, then make this liar. So she not need to go court say you want to carry paper come.
Yes,
You understand? Now even woman, now let she go to do place, to wait. Now let she go to do
big
place.
man wife, you know if you tell person that they beat me, not cry. You know if you tell her how you want to defend herself. Now you know how you want to defend herself.
Now wait till she talk.
Now wait till she want to defend herself. Now she carry on. So you know if you tell her wait till she want to defend herself. You know if you tell her now wait till she know. Now she will take defend herself.
Make she too say go do DNA test. If you don't do a come
now they tell you now, you know if you tell her whether na evil woman, you know if you tell her like that. Now wait till she know, now she'll take defend herself. Now that juju, now she know, now she'll take defend herself.
Tell me, my two, three, my two, three, my two.
Wariere ene. Abo opinion settle. Wariere ene.
Mama area da
Oya mo be school. Wa gi ya talk bale gbenu wa wa ke our opinion le social media.
3 o'clock in my two, 4 ayazobo.
It's a no bu wa opinion. Not there oroge. Wa na wi ya mo genya. Ona wa gba me so na agbamuwe. Oya de social media we do. Iwin dey argument in Jesus name.
But
Somebody gwa mi down.
Mama, it was there when I made the update. Mama Yaki.
Why you come to school amero?
If tiri my two 4 school years old, but tiri my yak babu wari.
Later wa baba yo.
Okay now, when I read the picking ya ni am no am ni make an area right. Go. E day rao.
Hello boy. E dey buy your mo aye school. Agbalegbo e fi gido ya mo mo be school. E fi jili rude opinion. Carry me go up.
Only a depression logo.
Carry me go up. I dey work. Guy, mo be person no wa where I beg I dey work. I want to talk. Ka finish one in na when okay do our opinion be help video.
Yeah, ti we kwa ya gwa love.
Okay. I beg I dey start work now. And let me just put my 5 cents. I just dey work. Madam, before you want do opinion, first finish your nursery work or your cleaning work before you come to do opinion for social media.
Ow. Wahala not too much.
Eso erinwina, eso ejegenya je aduronya e.
Wahala not too much. Just say we will not get work.
Invest every time, but I want your
person wey read the work, you no go able get at the press so na make the work quick finish when you go as na you dey.
We will not get now. What we want to do now? We want die now for entire house. God dey make God help us.
Ya buwo wa duma me mi wu. Ya we cleaning work be fiji we.
Wọ́n yà pọ̀ lọ́tọ́ tẹ bẹ́ẹ̀dì.
Egbe wa wo me here television. Ya wa fi po ya mi ya ke television you na be no part of work no. E fridge we na bere wa mirrors but I see dey say your fridge sharp carry cloth clean your fridge. Na still part of work and na still part of exercise. Pakoyo.
Oh mama no ke wo we ave tore si we ave tore na ne ma be te topic ko me gbe wa.
E be tore. Ime unu wa ya fi mo be school. Wa ya fi mo.
Okay, omo we vi we ma je school be na.
O nya me holiday.
Okay, ma wa be roli David dia ma ya wa ro jogba ya wa are ma.
Ko ya le spaghetti ni mo. Nya.
Spaghetti 5 minutes of Ghana mo ye na ni ye.
E get so much na ekwe mo we fara. No we ya nye pan.
Take on to Benin class for. I bet more na fall down go the.
I love una. You dey joke. I love una. You dey joke.
Una how everything. What dem dey talk dey ground. Na you dey do una own.
No, Mona not they talk the matter again.
You see they talk about we use our camp that make peace for them.
Mona not they talk this matter again. Mona go on the platform. Or Mona go this girl. Mona not cause quarrel for this TikTok. I did go back home. I want come home. Hype me up. You may even hype me. Who happy here?
No, the matter we don't be rest for last week now. The matter we don't finish because of this on the delay.
Good afternoon. Please, can I quick say something? I'm at
work. Say something, my sister. You at work? Okay.
Yes. I'm at work. Just a quick one.
Okay.
My break is almost finished.
Okay, talk.
Well, like a saga, but why like okay? I tell my girl now. Every time saga. What about your go? Oh God, big man. Go finish your papa. Fuck you. Fuck nonsense.
My break is almost finished.
But you boil it on me. Spaghetti. What boil spaghetti?
Godfather, now wo. 2 pieces so you can break even. It was a get tag guy.
Okay, my big guy. Mom, me put it.
Godfather, I just want to say, God bless you for everything. Like, I just pop on your platform this afternoon. Laugh one me seriously.
Hello there, good afternoon.
Thank you, everybody.
Me, I did work. I just my secret drop by 2 cents.
Mama, you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go work finish. Now they work. What you not call the file? Now they work. Okay, me not get work. I'm a jobless person. Thank you very much. I hear. All of now they work. I me not get work. I sit down. I not get work. You work fast. I they work. If you dey work, focus on your work. Put your earpiece. They listening. Not come up again. Come everybody come here to wait for you because you dey work. Okay, me not dey work. Now go sit down. Shouldn't be I dey work. Which 2 minutes opinion I want give? We don't need no opinion again. Mommy 3D. Now they say everybody rest for the matter. Oga go work, shut up there, go on boy. Who they work with say bank, they sit down for this cash share. Not be rubber share, they sit down they put. Me, I not be waiting there, so yeah, not pass office. Only the background alone. See the cash share man, they sit down they put. You not pass office, you are a stupid man. You say go work. You know how many coins I don't collect today? See you just see the cap, you know how much be this one? Who they work with say bank, they make this money a day, make God punish you. Go work, you go on boy. May you not go work, you mean they wash me. Or work is what I say. Now go work back, go work. Jobless person. Mommy 3D. The conclusion we will get, we say, go swear. Go swear. And make sure you swear well. Make sure you swear that thing well. And if you want to make everything sweet, you post the DNA. Me, I not say I this swear. Don't make me say now DNA. Make Mommy 3D post DNA. If Mommy 3D post DNA test, everywhere go, you're good for this talk. We know we'll call the waste our time, call the talk again, call the give opinion. Nobody will come up, call the give opinion again. Make Mommy 3D you post DNA, make all of us your rest. We go know where we dey. And no get there. And no get wife there. Send and give them. Lucky nice. Send the DNA test, give them. Send the DNA test, give a no get. Lucky nice or a no get wife. Send and give them. The other guy say, Mommy 3D sells the DNA. Oh. Na truth, oh. We don't scare, oh. Godfather, why? I know talk a little part again on Sabi. My own settlement I be defined before. I know the find I want to kill myself.